Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y35, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System, Reset Options, Erase All Data. This will give you a quick message letting you know what this will do. So it will remove things like Google account, system app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. If you have anything that you'd like to keep from the listed things right here, do make a copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, this data will be completely deleted and cannot be regained. Well, for the most part. Google accounts, system and app data and settings don't really count because settings you can choose them. Accounts are cloud-based and downloaded apps can be re-downloaded. Anyway, let's select Erase All Data now. If you have some kind of screen lock on your device, you need to confirm it right now. I do have a PIN. And then select Erase All Data once again, which will perform a factory reset of the device. Now for this, I'm not really gonna go through it. It's just a lot of black screen and really quick method really. So not much more to show. Once you press this, it will just go through a factory reset, bring you to a setup screen once it's completed, and that's about it. That's all it takes. So that is how you'd reset your device through settings. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.